Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
Hi, this is Kevin with RVFix. Today I wanted to talk about setting up our slide rooms. So in this particular unit we're in, we have our one big slide over here on this side. So once our trailer's set up, leveled out, we're getting ready to put this slide room out. The most important thing you want to check for is we want to make sure there's no obstructions anywhere around this slide on top of it. So this side's pretty opened up to see over here. But you'd want to make sure we take a look at that back side. We have cabinet doors and other things that might have come open during travel. So cabinet doors down on the bottom, up on the top. Make sure nothing's rolled down on the sides, anything like that. Once we've known that we have no obstructions from the inside, we also want to take a look on the outside as well and just make sure there's not going to be anything in our way. And it'd kind of be just the same thing on the outside. We're just checking for any obstructions, tree branches, stuff like that. This part would also be pretty handy if we had somebody else with you while you're getting ready to run it out. Say if we're on the side of our house and we're pretty close, but we need to open that slide. Like I said, just having a second set of eyes while you run that slide room would be pretty nice as well. So now that our slide room's all the way out, I just wanted to show you a few things. So on this particular unit, we have the in-wall Schwintek. The way you can tell that just by looking, we have these racks mounted on the bottom and on the top of each side wall. So the particulars with this, if you have this type of slide room, whenever we're running it, we want to make sure we have enough room to run this slide room all the way out. And same thing when we're going to run it back in. This is the type of slide where we're not really wanting to stop it in the middle of its track running in and out. The reason being is it has two motors that run it that need to stay in time with each other. So it is recommended when we're running it, like I said, all the way out and all the way in. And you actually can help keep those motors in time. When it's all the way out, we keep holding the out button for around 10 seconds. When we run it all the way in, we keep holding the in switch for about 10 seconds or so. And that's just to help keep it in time with each other for those two motors. So the most important things would be checking for any obstructions. Again, out here, if anything is underneath the slide room, set up leaning against the sides of the slide, anything like that. Or if we were parked under a tree, if we had any tree branches or piles of leaves, we would want to make sure to get up on that roof and clear all that stuff off. It can mess up your wiper seals that are up there on the top, especially branches poking holes in it. If you get big piles of leaves, when they run under there, sometimes they'll leave an open space. So if there's any rain, it'll let water come down on the inside, stuff like that. So we just really want to make sure, like I said, no obstructions on the sides. The roof is nice and cleared off as well. And then we would hop back in the unit and again make sure any cabinet doors are closed, anything, chairs that might be sitting in the way, everything's been moved completely out of the way of our slide room before we run that back in. All right, so like I said, that's just quick tips and safety checks for running the slide room in and out. If you come up with any questions, you can leave us a comment down below, or you can always give us a call at RVFix. We'll see if we can answer your question that way. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.